button to begin. With RedBeam Asset Tracking, you can track any items of value, including computers, printers, copiers, equipment, furniture, and vehicles. Using RedBeam Asset Tracking will help you to reduce time spent tracking assets, improve accuracy, track IT-related information, meet audit requirements, monitor warranty and lease expiration, maintain insurance records, calculate depreciation, increase accountability, keep a history of asset use, and minimize paperwork. Barcoding makes asset tracking faster and more accurate. All RedBeam software packages come with barcode labels that can be printed on your standard laser printer. RedBeam Asset Tracking software comes in 2 versions. With a standard edition, you can use barcoded count sheets to take an audit inventory and use a cabled barcode scanner to scan data at your PC workstation. With a mobile edition, you can use a mobile barcode scanner to take your audit inventory, to receive new assets, or update information wherever assets are found. Getting started with RedBeam is easy. Let's take a look at how to get set up with the system. Let's start in the Master Data section, where data used by the rest of the system is set up. Enter location information for each room in your organization. Add the room description and barcode, and assign the room to one of your buildings. The new room will display in the organization tree. You can set up other data in this section, including departments, custodians, asset types, and purchasing information, including manufacturers and vendors. You can also set up accounts like general ledger or cost center accounts and depreciation classes. Depreciation can be calculated monthly or annually using a variety of different depreciation methods. You can also add statuses and up to 15 user-defined fields. Once your master data is set up, you can now add your assets. To set up an asset, you must enter an asset ID, a description, a building, and a room. Optionally, you can add a serial number, model number, manufacturer, status, department, custodian, asset type, and notes. Under the Purchasing tab, you can add the vendor you bought the asset from and a PO number. For depreciation purposes, you can add the acquisition date, cost, recovery period in years, scrap value, and account. If you track warranty expirations, enter the warranty number and the warranty start and end date. If you track lease expirations, enter the lease number and the lease start and end date. Under the User Fields tab, you can enter up to 15 user-defined fields. Rename the fields to better reflect the needs of your organization. Under the IT Maintenance tab, enter the device name, service tag, processor, IP address, memory, MAC address, and operating system. You can enter a list of applicable software and accessories or other notes. If using the mobile edition of the software, you can enter a message that will pop up on the mobile computer when this asset is scanned. Click the Maintenance button to enter a detailed record of any maintenance performed on the asset. Under the Attachments tab, you can add an image of the asset or attach important documents like user manuals or warranty information. If you are using the mobile edition of the software, you can use the mobile scanner to update any of the information found in the PC. This is ideal for receiving new items or for updating IT information. To display fields from the PC on the mobile computer, select source fields from the Source Fields column and move them to the Handheld Fields column. A preview of the mobile screens appear at the right. To periodically take an audit inventory of your assets, use the Inventory feature. If you are using the standard edition of the software, print barcode count sheets which can be used to take an inventory. When finished, use a cabled scanner to enter collected data at your PC workstation. If you are using the mobile edition of the software, you can use the mobile scanner to take an inventory. Update records by scanning the item number or serial number barcode. Update any additional information about the asset. When finished, click Save to record your entry. Redbeam Asset Tracking offers comprehensive and flexible reports. Asset data reports display lists of all your assets, the depreciated value of your assets, and assets with warranties and leases. You can filter and group your reports any way you like, and then either print the report or export the data directly into an Excel spreadsheet. Inventory reports show both located and unlocated assets, newly added assets, and assets whose serial number or room have changed since the last inventory. As an additional audit feature, the mobile edition of the software will identify if an item was scanned by the barcode scanner. Redbeam Asset Tracking is a robust system based on a Microsoft SQL database. An MSDE runtime version of SQL is included as part of the package. Other administrative features of the software include networking, data backup, import of data from Microsoft Excel, data purge, and flexible role-based user security. As you can see, Redbeam Asset Tracking is intuitive and easy to use. The system is affordable, making it easy to justify your return on investment. And Redbeam's offering is complete. With complementary software, scanner hardware, and barcode labels, Redbeam has everything you need to start tracking today. Redbeam. Intuitive, affordable, complete.